Yo, I'm Mnemonic. This video, it's kind of all over the place, but the song that was created while filming it is worthwhile, and I will be releasing it in about 2 weeks. So this is the very random and scattered video of how this song came to be. It's going to be released on all the platforms, so if you use Spotify, please go follow me on Spotify. The goal is to make more music. Alright, let's do it. Good morning. Yes, it's 4 in the morning. 3, 2, 1, begin. Alright. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. What? That is wildly awesome. I've wasted 5 minutes doing this. This is terrible. That's not it. It started with the guitar loop, which was just going to be a making a beat in 10 minutes video because it was easy. My children were about to wake up. And then it became something else. And then I just didn't care about filming anymore. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yes, alright. I hope you're doing great. I'm going to start with guitar. Give me a sec. Yeah. I took that guitar sample and started adding things to it. Check it out. Here's the original guitar sample that's layered and then reversed at the end. Wait for it. I love the sound of reversed guitars. Of course, that needed a beat, so I started with just a really dirty, staticky, boom bap kick drum. And if you listen closely, there's a shaker in there, which is, yes, another musical instrument added to my toolkit via my children's stash of toys. Then this melody came to my head, and I am not good enough at the keys to figure it out quickly, and I just wanted to get it down. So I'm going to play you what it is. Never underestimate the power of your voice as an instrument and a creative tool that you can use. Removing all of the sauce, this is the original audio file. And then all these little purple things are a sample that I actually made. Yes, I made that. Love her. It's a stacked vocal female sample saying love her. Love her. It's this right here. EM voice 1. Give me a word from the crowd. Anybody. Really. Cheese? Okay, good choice. Cheese. Okay, that was way too much cheese. Let's do it just a little bit of cheese. Cheese. Yes. So it is text to singing. Is that not amazing? It's amazing. And this is what I have so far. Love her. I should probably delete the cheese. That's just annoying. Love her. Love her. Does anybody remember this? I picked it up at a thrift shop a ways back. I made a sample pack out of the drums. It's amazing. And this is what I did. Instead of plugging it into the actual output, I just sat here with my microphone and played a melody. And do you hear how loud these keys are? That became this. So that's pitched down an octave and then added a little bit of delay and compression to kind of smooth things out, but it still sounds terrible. Terribly recorded. Sounds like complete trash. Just the way I like it. I do want to layer it with another sound. I recently upgraded to Ableton Live 10 because I bought the Launchpad X. It comes with tons of software, and because it came with Ableton Live 10 Lite, it is the cheapest, most restricted version of Ableton. I'm only able to have 8 tracks. So what I have to do is comp my tracks. For example, the ugly, awesome, nasty sound from the DeRosa KB49 with a little bit more cleaner but still slightly distorted simple sub from Vacuum Pro. Wonderful VST that has all kinds of sounds and presets. I'm a sucker for a preset, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. Here I am living with the limits of only using 8 tracks. I automated and chopped the claps to my liking. And then this is the beat, so I need to bake these two together. I think it's time to write some lyrics. Or put like a little drum loop, like a crunchy, kind of lo-fi 8-bit drum loop. Give it just a little bit more hip-hop. This sounds very folky and indie, and I want it to have a nice, chill, like hip-hop undertone, as per the usual. Alright, so I added a reverb to the clap. It's also another plugin I got with my Launchpad X. Now these two, this is the drum with the shaker and tambourine, these are the claps, are now this one track. You okay? Took a spell there. I added some drums to it. Anyway, check it out. Peace. Love.